Ever wondered how to keep your plants healthy and productive? Today, we're turning over a new leaf with the topic of pruning, a crucial aspect of plant care. We'll break down this process into simple, manageable steps. So get your gardening gloves ready, because we're about to dive into the world of pruning. First things first, what exactly is pruning? Well, at its core, pruning involves selectively removing parts of a plant, such as branches, buds, or roots. But why do we do it? Pruning isn't just about maintaining a plant's shape. It benefits the plant in multiple ways. It promotes healthier growth, reduces the risk of disease, and can encourage more robust flowering or fruit production. It's like giving your plants a rejuvenating spa treatment. Now that you know why pruning is essential, we will move to how to do it properly. Ready to learn how to prune like a pro? Let's dive right in. Pruning should be done during the plant's dormant season, typically late winter or early spring. Before you start, ensure you have the right tools: a sharp pair of pruning shears, loppers for thicker branches, and a pruning saw for the largest limbs. Now, on to making the right cuts. Aim to cut at a 45-degree angle, about 1/4 inch above a bud that is facing the direction you want future growth to take. Lastly, remember to prune in the right places. Remove dead or diseased branches first, then focus on branches that cross or rub against each other. And that's how you prune for healthier, more productive plants. Let's recap what we've covered about pruning. It's a vital process for plant health and productivity, involving strategic cuts to remove dead or overgrown branches. The steps are simple: identify, make the cut, and clean your tools. Remember, with the right knowledge and tools, you can keep your plants in top shape through pruning. That's all for our pruning guide. Let's put these techniques into practice and see our gardens flourish. Embrace the journey to healthier, more productive plants. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.